Howdy, howdy. This video is for Advanced Foundation Repair. My name is Joseph Graham. I'm with FoundationMarketingPro.com. That's how it's spelled right here, FoundationMarketingPro.com. The reason why I'm making this video for you today is because when I asked for a pretty reputable company in Austin, you guys were referred over to me. So just off the top, I just want to discuss how you guys can take advantage of scaling your business using online search. Now, you're already doing a good job. And I'm not going to dive into your website. What we're going to talk about is your map listing, okay, and why this is the most valuable asset that you have. But I will recommend this. So make this a click to call when someone, because most people search on their cell phone, right? So you want this button to be a click to call. You want people to get a hold of you easy, unless you just want them to fill out a form, right? Make this click to call. Anytime your phone number is listed on this site, click to call. So whenever someone is searching for foundation repair, they're going to do one of two things. They're going to either ask someone they know, hey, do you know anyone that can, fix this for me, right? Or what they're going to do is they're going to hop on Google and they're going to do some Google searching. And when they do that, these top 3 businesses in these map listings get 75% of the calls. And they usually call the one with the best reviews first. It's just how it is, right? So this is why this GMB is your most valuable asset, right? And when we put your GMB through our heat map tool, this is what we get. So everywhere you see a 1, 2, and a 3 is where you rank in those top 3 spots. In these areas right here. Now when you start getting closer to Austin, it's all red. It'll be red all down here, right? So you're getting the bulk of your calls from online search in all of these areas right here, which is awesome, right? It's awesome. These people have bigger houses and whatnot, but there's still like a whole nother area and a whole nother area down here that we're missing out on. So with that said, what we can do is we're able to see everywhere your map listing. So if I live, let's just say Anderson Mill, I'm going to see GA, I'm going to see Bats, and I'm going to see you guys, right? And this tool shows us who's ranking where. And not everyone is going to rank the same in different places. Some people dominate other areas of town. Quality. There's one company, let me see, Done Right. Some people dominate one side of town. Some people dominate other areas of town. You guys are doing pretty good on this area. So I'm going to tell you that it is possible to take over the whole county. Not just Austin, not just little San Marcos, right? But just like the whole area. Just dominate it. Just get the first calls, scale your business, grow your business. Okay, if you have any questions, you can always visit FoundationMarketingPro.com, especially if you guys are using Home Advisor, Thumbtack, or Angie's List, right? With that said, I'm going to send you a copy of your heat map and let you poke around with it. And if you have any questions, always feel free to reach out. My name is Joseph Graham. Thank you for watching.